So here we have a worksheet as part of our animals theme unit, and we're looking at hunting spiders. Spiders fit into that group we call arachnids. Arachnids with their 2 body parts and their 8 legs. This is going to be a reading worksheet, and then we have some questions that ask about these different spiders. The fisher spider, the bolus spider, crab spider, raft spider, jumping spider, and wolf spider. All of these spiders are hunting spiders, as most spiders are. Let's see what it says at the top of our page. All spiders are predators. This means that they kill and eat other animals. Different spiders get their food in different ways. Spiders can be divided into 2 groups. Web spinning spiders trap food in the webs they have woven. Hunting spiders run after their prey or lie in wait to ambush it. We're going to read the table over here and find out about the habits of some hunting spiders. And then we're going to answer the questions. So, name of spider, fisher spider, how it gets its food. The fisher spider waits at the edge of water, then runs out on top of the water to catch an insect. Bolus spider. A bolus spider throws a line of silk at its prey with a sticky blob at the end of the rope, which sticks to the victim. A crab spider. A crab spider, camouflage to match its background, it lies in wait for its prey, and then it pounces on it. Raft spider. A raft spider makes a tiny raft of silk and leaves. It dives off its raft when it sees food and hauls the food back up onto the raft. Jumping spider. A jumping spider creeps up on its prey, then leaps at it to grab it. And a wolf spider. A wolf spider is a runner. It runs after the insects it's hunting. All right, some interesting information. Let's take a look at the questions. Why is the raft spider called a raft spider? Let's see. A raft spider makes a tiny raft of silk and leaves, dives when it sees its food, and hauls the food onto the raft. So we could say, why is the raft spider called a raft spider? Because it makes a raft. Pretty cool. Number 2, which spider uses camouflage in its search for food? Camouflage means it looks exactly like the color of its background. Well, when we look down our table here, we find out that the crab spider camouflage to match its background. It lies in wait for its prey and pounces on it. So which spider uses camouflage in search for food? That would be the crab spider. Crab spider. And I'm using capital letters here because that's the name of this spider. Number 3, how are the fisher spider and the wolf spider similar? Let's see. Fisher spider waits at the edge of water and then runs out on top of the water to catch an insect. And the wolf spider runs after insects. So one runs after insects on top of the water, the other one runs after insects on the land. So how are the fisher spider and the wolf spider similar? We could say they both run after insects. There we go. Number 4. How does the Bolus spider use its silk to catch food? Let's look at Bolus spider. It says it throws a line of silk at its prey. A sticky blob at the end of the rope sticks to the victim. So how does the Bolus spider use its silk to catch food? Well, we can say that it throws a line with a sticky blob. And there's actually a South American hunting weapon called a bolus, which is exactly that. It's 2 hard sort of nuts or hard balls on the end of a rope that gets swung around and thrown to be able to hunt animals with. But the Bolus spider it throws a line with a sticky blob. Number 5, which spider do you think is the most interesting and why? Well, there's no one answer. Answers can be different for everybody. Here's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different spiders. You choose which one you think is the most interesting. And why? Me personally, I like the Raft Spider the best. It's the coolest. I mean, it makes its own raft out of silken leaves and dives off that raft into the water and then brings its prey back out of the water and onto the raft. I mean, pretty cool using a tool of leaves and sticky silk to make a raft out of. You choose which spider you think's the most interesting.